Learn how to make a hanging wall organizer in a very easy process. For more information on materials needed, fabric recommendations, tips, and a step-by-step guide, download our free PDF on our website. To start, cut all foam and fabric pieces. Fuse the wrong side of the front fabric to the fusible foam with a hot iron. You can choose to add pockets of different styles and color combinations that work best for what you would like the hanging wall organizer to hold. To make the scissor pocket, fold the width of the cut fabric in half and press wrong sides together. Reverse the fabric so the right sides are together, so across the raw edge of the width to make the tube shape. Turn inside out. Mark sections with fabric chalk and place the pieces onto the main fabric. Stitch and backstitch on the chalk lines to secure. To make the knitting needle pocket, fold the width of the fabric and the bottom of the length of the fabric, fold inward and press the folds in. Pleat the bottom of the pocket. Hem or put bias tape or trim over the top width. See the bias tape finish and pocket pleat instructions for more information on how to do this. Place, pin, and sew around the folded edge of the pocket. This stitch will attach the foam main fabric and pocket. To create small and medium-sized pockets, cut the fabric using the measurement chart. Fold in the side edges of the width across the bottom of the length. Wrong sides are folded in towards the center. Fold again towards the center and press with a hot iron. Finish the top with either a hem or bias tape. Pleat the bottom of the pocket. Sew the pockets onto the main fabric. Use a hot iron to fuse together the wrong side of the backing fabric onto the foam back. To add grommets, mark where the grommets will be with the washout pencil and ruler. Then, add a grommet on the marking by using a hammer and grommet tools. Place the fused fabric and foam between the opening of the double fold bias tape and clip in place. Zigzag stitch to secure. Run the ribbon through the front of the grommets and tie the raw ends together to make the ribbon a continuous piece. This project is complete. Hang the wall organizer up by placing 2 adhesive hooks parallel to the width of the grommets. Hang the ribbon over and around the hooks. Share your creation on Facebook and Instagram at fabricland.canada.